All right. Happy Monday. These are the trades for the week of August 19th. The things I'm looking at, what I'm seeing. So let's just get to it. The first one's going to be silver. Silver had came out of a previous downtrend and has recently broke that downtrend. So I am very bullish on silver. So we see that that has a clear break of the downtrend. So options that I have my eyes on that I will be purchasing today is going to be silver, 27 calls for Friday. So 823. Those should play out nicely. So silver calls for this week. Right. Next one, same setup for NVIDIA definitely was in a downtrend, a nasty downtrend, and let's get the break of that downtrend to confirm an uptrend has started, and it's going to be right there. That is beautiful. So I'm also bullish on this one for this week. NVIDIA, if you guys play NVIDIA is definitely one of those stocks. Get your money and get out. If you think that it's going to be run some more, then of course take it, but don't be a hero. You know what I mean? Get your money and run. And to be honest, this trend, yep, right there is a nice clean break. And it has had 1, 2, 3, 4 days of bullishness to confirm that it is in an uptrend. So NVIDIA 130 calls for this week should print nicely. All right. Now we have Walmart. Walmart's contracts are going to be next year, but I mean, even if we're looking at what the chart has given us, it wasn't a downtrend, and then it had a monster gap up. It's Walmart, has been cheap ever since the split. So, affordable stock. And I like the 8667 calls for next year. So you have a bit of time on those. And, you can kind of just rinse and repeat on this contract, get in, make 50, 60%, get out, get in, make 50%, get out, over and over again. It's pretty easy. If we look at it at the weekly perspective, very bullish candle. Downtrend here for 1, 2, 3 weeks. And now the fourth week, which was last week, has showed bullishness. So we should have some sort of continuation to the upside. So beautiful play for Walmart. And then last but not least is going to be BABA. BABA is one of those tricky plays. They also have earnings coming up. When is their earnings? Their earnings was the 15th. They did not have good earnings, but they still are facing upward. If we look at the weekly chart, it's been getting hammered for weeks. So, this is more of a hope play, in the sense of, if it goes up 10%, take it. BABA doesn't really move that much unless there's really, really, really good news. So, hope for the best for this one. This is one of those gimme plays. But I like the 87 calls for the 30th of this month. So this gives about 2 weeks on this contract, which, you can get out of it if you don't really like the way the movement is on it. But that's all I'm really seeing right now. Trade safely. Right now, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, a lot of whipsawing up and down. If you don't have to trade, don't trade. But if you are going to trade, make sure you don't let the trade go red. It's no problem with allowing your trade to run a bit. But if it goes positive and you let it go negative, that's just poor execution on your end. So don't do that. If it goes up and you're like, it can give me more, set a number in your head or set a stop loss that's going to put it positive anyway. So it's a win-win trade for you. So that is the trades of the week. We have silver calls. We have NVIDIA calls. We have Walmart calls, and we have BABA calls. So those are the trades of the week, guys. Good luck. Happy trading and stay green.